So this is kind of a weird video that I wanted to talk about because I've recently experienced something that I wasn't very happy about, because I have been signing up, or should I say not signing up, but a lot of manufacturers and sellers have been getting in touch with me to sign up as an affiliate with a lot of them. And one of them did send me a product for review. And I have to say that I wasn't happy at all with it, because this specific product, first of all, I mean, it worked for a few days, and I like to take my time testing stuff. You guys know that. I think I had it for maybe over a week, and then did the burn-in, started listening to it, writing my notes down, and then I wanted to give it a final listen before actually recording my video, and one side of this product wasn't working. So I'm like, man, I can't, it's not right to review this, because obviously if this is the quality, it doesn't work. And then I spoke to them and I said, can you take it back or send a replacement or different cable or something? And they were like, we'll send you a new one. So they sent me a new one, and the newer one worked, but it didn't sound anything like the one I had received before that. So it just didn't add up, man. Like the overall quality of this just didn't make sense. So I'm like, man, I don't want to do this review. But the thing is, when a manufacturer or a seller sends you something, they do expect a review out of it. Like, just do the review for letting people know about it. So here's the thing that I realized at that time, because I remember Headphone Zone in particular started sort of collaborating with different brands maybe about a year ago. And a lot of people had an issue with this. They said, no, who's going to buy off of Headphone Zone? And all sorts of comments I saw about this that were, some were pretty amusing, but some were very serious, and there was a lot of hate behind it. And here's where I think Headphone Zone making these collaborations makes a lot of sense, because I have had my eye on the Headphone Zone website for years. In fact, the first time I bought from them was 2019. And what happened after that was I started my YouTube channel, and I've been buying from them since. And I've not had, thankfully, touch wood, I've not had any issues with any of their products. So it gives me a sense that, if Headphone Zone is collaborating with this brand, I'm like, you know what, I trust Headphone Zone, I'll trust this product as well. So I can go ahead with it. Whereas when it comes to this other brand, should I say it's not particularly, call it the brand, call it the seller. This other seller and brand obviously are not keeping an eye on overall quality. And I think a lot of these products were sold before I even came out, or should I say sat down to do my review. So I don't know how many people have received that specific product that's been sent out to them, but it was a product that I wouldn't recommend, and I've never ever reviewed a product that I wouldn't recommend. I mean, it's pretty crazy that that's the case. Now, I'm saying the nice things about Headphone Zone, but here's one thing I want you guys to know very clearly. I am not an affiliate with the Headphone Zone. I thought I was from some years ago, but they've eradicated that program. I'm not in any way being paid, or this video is not sponsored by them. They don't even know I'm shooting this video, but I'm shooting this video to let you know that they have tried to build some form of trust, because I remember when they first started, they didn't have as many brands. When you click on the brand section of the website, they didn't have as many brands over there. Now they've expanded, but very slowly. And I know that they've done it very slowly, because there were times when I was approached by some manufacturers, and I'd always ask them, why are you not on the Headphone Zone site? Why are you not being represented there? And the thing is, Headphone Zone wasn't just swallowing up each brand that approached them. I think the guys over there wanted to review the products, wanted to make sure that there was a good amount of quality that was instilled in the build, in the sound of all of these products that they were going to officially sell through their platform. Only then did they agree. And I think this whole collaborating thing with the Headphone Zone brand on one side of the IEM and the original brand name on the other is a kind of a step in carrying on that trust with a lot of the people that already trust in Headphone Zone, and I'm one of those people. So I mean, this is just a quick take on that. So if you guys are skeptical about that, I say try and understand it from that perspective. A lot of people just jump towards hating. There's no need for that hatred. I mean, understand the situation before you, figure out or develop an opinion on it. Because I think these guys have genuinely tried to just share the love of music over all these years. These are guys who are genuinely passionate about music and sound. So I mean, give Headphone Zone a break. I think they're in it for the right reasons. And when it comes to that brand in particular, well, I'm not going to mention them because they did do the right thing and say, you know what, we have pulled back on this product. I'm glad you've told us about this, and we'll try and make sure that we make it right for a refresh, or maybe that batch was giving trouble. So they've done the right thing. They've definitely got the right agenda. They're not trying to just cheat people or just sell something that's super affordable or super expensive. They are doing the right thing. So it is a delicate balance, and I'm sure that's a big reason why you guys keep coming to guys like me. So keep doing that. I appreciate it. I like seeing you guys in the comment section. So if you want to talk about this, go on ahead, say hi in the comment section. I'd be happy to chat with you. And of course, I'll see you in the next one.